Turn the measuring board over and remove all of the screws from the base. Remove the base. Remove the two AA batteries with an O-ring pick or a small screwdriver. Insert new batteries, checking polarity is correct. Positive points towards the display end of the measuring board. Remove O-ring and clean the O-ring groove. Apply a thin line of grease to the O-ring groove. Apply a thin layer of O-ring grease to the new O-ring. Install the new O-ring in the groove. Clean the O-ring face on the base. Reinstall the base, ensuring the O-ring is in place.